Hey everyone, welcome back to my Indonesia vlogs. Sorry that it's been so long since I posted. It's been a bit busy in my life, but I'm glad to finally getting back to editing and posting. So for this video, we are in Uluwatu. As you can see here, I'm entering Uluwatu Temple now with a couple of the girls I met earlier that day on Yusuf Nida. At Uluwatu Temple, there were so many monkeys stealing people's things, so you will probably see some of those throughout the videos, but I didn't film too much because I didn't want a monkey to steal my phone or my camera. Luckily, my camera was attached to me, but that was a little bit stressful. It was lovely to be by the water watching the waves. It did sprinkle a little bit while we were there, but that was okay. We just took some shelter. It was lovely just to be able to walk around a bit and see some of the amazing views of the coastline. Now you'll probably see throughout the video, and I do talk about it a bit, but my time in Uluwatu was rainy. And I also did visit later on, basically the very end of my trip after my yoga teacher training, and it was also rainy then. I feel like Uluwatu would be a beautiful place to visit if it was sunny, but unfortunately I didn't get too much sun, but I still tried to take advantage of my time there, and I also took that time to rest a bit. So while we were at Uluwatu Temple, we also did see the fire show, which was amazing to see. It was quite dark, so the fire was very vibrant, which you'll be able to see. But it was really nice to experience that. I think it costs about £10 per ticket, so not too bad. It was windy. Luckily the rain had stopped, but it was lovely to see a part of the Balinese culture. And then that evening, had a pretty chill evening after just getting a bit of food, and then did some exploring the next day, which I'll bring you guys along for. Hey guys, so a little thing. So it's rainy season, and I'm fully prepared that it's rainy season. But I feel like Uluwatu is the type of place for like sunny weather. But yeah, so I guess I'll kind of keep you guys updated. It's literally been so wet, which is why I'm filming on my phone right now, because I just did not want to bring my camera out in this weather. weren't as good, but I had a Grab driver he recommended Uluwatu Beach, and so I was like, okay, cool, like I'll check it out. After Bing Bing Beach, I went to Hours and I got lunch, and then I went to Padang Beach, which was alright. There's quite a few monkeys around and stuff. Again, it's a thing of I feel like it would be nicer during like dry season, but I've come to Uluwatu Beach and it's so pretty. On the way here, I mean, right now it is raining, but on the way here, like when we were driving down, my Grab driver was like, oh, let's stop here, you could take some like videos and stuff. And I looked over and it was beautiful. It's raining right now and I'm trying. Hopefully my phone doesn't get too wet, but I'll show you guys. It's so nice. But yeah, doing a lot better even though it is raining. As I said, I don't mind the rain. But you know, when I go to the beaches, I want to actually see some sand. And there's some sand, which I'm happy about. So I'm gonna put my head up and then dry my phone off, and then I'm gonna show you guys some of the views. It's raining so much. I might go and try to find some shelter. Hopefully you guys can hear me, but yeah, I'm gonna find some shelter. I think I'm getting water like all over my phone. So now I think I'm gonna head back to the hostel. Oh, my feet are about to get wet. It's really pretty here. I'd definitely love to come back here during dry season, I think. Maybe do like some surfing here or something. It is really pretty. I'm just wanting a little bit of a chill evening. It's been a hectic couple of days, and I think I'm gonna head back to the hostel and chill for a bit. I might chill like by the pool and do some breathing and stuff because I need some of that in my life right now. And yeah, but yeah, so I will see you guys back at the hostel.